What's up? Welcome back to Gravy Flips. This is the Ocarina Odyssey update, and it's been about 2 weeks since I made the first video talking about what we're trying to do. A lot of things have sold. Currently, our dedicated storage unit is right here. We have a couch and stuff. We sold the blue couch. We sold a couple other things. Those green chairs are gone. But let me show you what I've got today in the trailer, and we can go from there. And just for those new viewers, I'm going to quickly go over the rules of the Ocarina Odyssey. The goal is to follow these 3 rules and save up any profit to put toward a brand new sealed graded Zelda Ocarina of Time Collector's Edition. The 3 rules are simple. I must 1. Flip things only locally. 2. Can only fit those items in 1 storage unit. And 3. It must be either furniture or collectibles or video games if I sell them locally. The idea is for you to be able to see that by diversifying your selling, you can sell things both online and locally and make a profit to either enhance your income or buy other things that you want, like traveling or video games. Alright, and here we are donating another couch that we picked up to the Ocarina Odyssey. I have this nice 2-piece couch in here. Let me see if you can see it okay. There we go. There we go. That we picked up. We just cleaned it, and it's gonna be a nice little addition to the Ocarina Odyssey. It should fetch around $200. Day on my way to pick up some video game collections, a guy posted this 2-piece sectional with storage and a recliner to Facebook Marketplace. So I messaged him, and with full knowledge that it needed to be cleaned, I made the stop on my way after I took the ferry over to New York, and I picked it up. And I'm expecting this couch to get between $200 and $250 delivered. So this is the real magic behind picking up items for free. Here's a quick little video of me putting it into the trailer. A fellow teacher friend of mine messaged me to pick up a sectional that she had in her basement, and it was really in decent shape. It just needed a good clean. So here is the before and after, and I'm going to show you in a quick little montage how I clean and what the end result is with this 3-piece sectional here. So when I clean, I try to bring everything to my house so I have access to my hose, and I have a pretty inexpensive, it's like $100 carpet cleaner that I got at Target. I use that with a special shampoo for it. It's nothing special. There's a Febreze version as well, and I just fill the tank with water, and then I get it wet and I just go over it, and I use the brush tool on it to really kind of soak up all the debris that's in it. It's always a good idea to do a quick either brushing or a quick vacuuming before you do so. But for things that just have a bunch of topical residue on them, it typically does clean up pretty well. If people have, you know, deep stains or deep smells, it's really hard to get rid of those, and you're not going to have as much success reselling it. But for light colored couches like this that have like a suede microfiber texture to them, they really do clean up pretty nicely. So after spending about maybe 30 minutes on this, I left it out in the sun for a few hours and made sure it didn't rain. I have a tarp that I use next to where I clean things just in case it starts to rain, or I'll just put them back in the trailer because it's an enclosed trailer and leave the side door open for some ventilation. But let me show you how this ended up, and this was really a nice piece to get for free. Again, I got it just like I got the last couch that I showed you. I got it for free on my way to pick up some video games. So, you know, the more the merrier. Here I am taking some measurements of the couch when it's all put together. The first thing you're going to realize when you're trying to sell furniture and dressers and such forth is that people want measurements no matter where you're selling it. It is so important to include accurate measurements. And you'll see me taking out the other couch. That's because I'm about to deliver the brown one. We finally have a buyer. But check out how these couches came out after the steam clean. They look really nice. You can barely even see any of the residue on there. I was driving home on my way after picking up a table, and as I was driving by, I saw the remnants of a garage sale, and I saw this fairly decent dresser outside for free. So check this out. Always be looking for things on the side of the road for free. If they're nice, they sell. So here's a nice white dresser for free. You know, pretty lightweight. It's made of solid wood. Probably get 50 bucks out of this. Pick it up. Yeah. Got a really nice table set. A bunch of stuff my wife picked up. But I just picked up all this stuff for free. So let me unload it, get some pictures, and I'll get it up on our Facebook and the website, and we'll see if we can keep working toward this Ocarina Odyssey. So I just dragged all the table and the chairs out, and you know, you wouldn't really expect it, but nice table sets like this alone, if you have 4 or 5 chairs, you can get about $100 to $150. But with the table, you know, I think that's more toward the $150 mark, especially if you have a truck and you can deliver. People really like these kind of chairs right here, which are called captain's chairs. They have the armrests. They kind of accentuate the whole set. This is definitely a 6-chair set, but I only have 5 of the chairs. So fortunately, I couldn't get closer to 200 because of that, but you know, when we're trying to save up for the Ocarina Odyssey, that is definitely a game that I want. So there's that. And then here is the white dresser that I just pulled out of storage not too long ago, which, you know, it's a little light, but you know, it's solid wood. Somebody would want this for their kids' room. You know, I can see that getting us $40 to $50. So hey, and welcome to the part of the video where I talk about how much we have made on our Ocarina Odyssey. So since the first posting 12 days ago, we sold that brown couch for $200. I ended up selling that blue couch that I showed for $200. And the pair of matching kind of greenish blue chairs actually sold for $30. So at this time, that means we have $430 in our quest toward buying a sealed Ocarina of Time for the N64 Collector's Edition and graded. So I'm enthusiastic. So let's see over the next couple weeks how those couches that I picked up, how that table set sells, and I will include some little bonus features next time. So please, we're at 173 subscribers right now. I'm trying to get to 250 by the end of the month. Please hit like and hit subscribe. And thanks for watching. This is Gravy Flips, where we flip collectibles, video games, and furniture to make some profit or gravy in our side hustle. Have a great day, everyone.